We are Aurora Electric Vehicle Shandong Co. Ltd. as the third largest electric bicycle manufacturing center in China. We are committed to providing you with customized high-quality electric bicycles. Our factory specializes in OEM and CKD solutions, make it easier than ever for international partners to collaborate with us. More than 1 electric vehicles are said to be announced each year alone. We are ready to support your business by shipping directly from the factory. Join us and embark on this exciting journey. Contact us immediately to explore opportunities for collaboration. Learn how we can help you succeed in the thriving electric bicycle market. Let's ride the future together.